Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Me and my daughter is at the plant store. So I am grabbing some plants, not that many, but just a few plants. I do see the sweet potato vines. I will be picking up some of those. And also petunias. I will be picking up some of those as well. Okay guys, I am in the backyard and I am in front of the gazebo. So what I would be doing in this area here is removing this edge that was previously here, and I'm going to add some bricks, mulch, and I am going to plant those plants that I pick up from the plant store in this area here and the area next to it as well. Okay, what I'm doing here is making a hole for my hostels. I have a big one on the other side, so I'm going to dig that up and divided it and then put one over here and then put the other one back. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. So, and I'm also going to get like a container or something and put in that hole, so that way I can still continue to mulch and continue to lay my bricks pavers down as well. Okay, I'm cutting back these lily stems. They pretty much grew over the border that was here at first, so I'm cutting those back. These are daylilies, so you can pretty much chop these jokers up and do whatever you want to do with them, and they'll still come back next year looking just as good as it was the year before. Okay, as you all can see, I have brought the pavers all the way around the border. So I will be doing this area over here uh, with the pavers. Also, I will be mulching and adding lights to this area as well. Okay, so I'm going to start in this area over here where I left off at. And this is the part where me and the white was pretty much laying mulch down. So I'm just going to finish the interlock pavers, and I'm going to go pretty much all around that area with it. Okay, here in this part of the video, I am removing the edger that was previously here, and I'm going to replace that with the interlock brick pavers. Okay guys, in this part of the video, I will be finishing off the interlock pavers here. The mulch and the lights, I will be doing that at a later time. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to film that, but I will be doing that later. But here is some clips and video from my son's wedding. My son is getting married today.